Okay, so welcome back. So here we have a very interesting example wherein we are tasked to prove that the derivative of y equals sine squared x over 1 plus cot x plus cosine squared x over 1 plus tan x is equal to negative cosine 2x daw. Okay? So kapag may mga ganitong problem na sinasabi na prove that the something something, ang initial instinct natin should be to simplify the expression. No? So let's try to simplify the expression. So, sine squared x all over cot x is magiging cosine x over sine x. And then, cosine squared x over 1 plus tan x, that is sine x over cosine x. Okay? And we can simplify this further. So, sabihin natin y equals sine squared x over sine x plus cosine x all over sine x. Tama? Plus cosine squared x over sine x plus cosine x all over cosine x. Okay? And now, we can use the property ng fraction. Ito, pwedeng umakyat. Tama? Ito, multiply sa numerator. Okay? So, this will now become y equals sine cube x over sine x plus cosine x plus cosine cube x over sine x plus cosine x. Okay? And now, they have the same denominator. So, pwede natin sila i-combine into sine cube x plus cosine cube x all over sine x plus cosine x. Okay? So, wala tayong any identities for sine cube x plus cosine cube x. So, hindi siya katulad ng sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. No? So, ang pwede natin gawin dito is to try and factor. No? So, alam natin, x cubed plus y cubed is x plus y times x squared minus xy plus y squared. Tama? So, we can try to factor it. No? So, magiging sine x plus cosine x times sine squared x minus sine x cosine x plus cosine squared x all over sine x plus cosine x. Tama? And now, this will cancel. And we know sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. No? So, we are now left with y equals 1 minus sine x cosine x. No? So, from the expression na sine squared x over 1 plus cot x plus cosine squared x over 1 plus tan x, na-simplify natin siya into 1 minus sine x cosine x. No? So, this is now a very simple na pagkuha ng derivative. No? So, what is the derivative? Y prime is equal to negative. So, yung 1 magiging 0, negative. Then, product rule, sine x times negative sine x plus cosine x times cosine x. No? And this is y prime is equal to sine squared x. So, negative sine squared x plus cosine squared x. And y prime is sine squared x minus cosine squared x. So, we know this identity is equal to negative cosine 2x. No? So, this is a trigonometric identity. So, y prime is equal to negative cosine 2x. Okay? So, now we have proven that yung derivative ng y equals sine squared x over 1 plus cot x plus cosine squared x over 1 plus tan x is negative cosine 2x. Okay? So, dito nagamit natin yung idea natin about trigonometric identities and yung pagkuha ng derivatives. Okay? So, see you in the next video.